Hello guys, very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning there. Any queries, any topic you want to ask anyone? Since this would be our last class today. Okay, so let's read something about Tomcat Apache. So Tomcat Apache is an open source web server, okay, and servlet containing developed container developed by Apache Software Foundation. Okay, it is used to serve Java-based applications, Java-based web applications, and is widely used in enterprise environments. Okay, so it is a kind of web server, and it is an open source web server. Okay, so here are some basic concepts and features of Tomcat Apache. Okay, so it is a servlet container, which means it is responsible for managing and executing Java servlets and JSPs. Okay, so since it is a servlet container, it is used for managing and executing JSPs and Java servlets. Web server, Tomcat Apache can also act as a web server, serving static content such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. Platform independence, it is platform independent and can run on any operating system that supports Java. Configuration, it can be configured using XML files which define the server's behavior and settings. Security, it provides built-in security features including authentication, authorization, SSL, TLS encryption. Okay, so it helps in providing built-in security features it has, including authentication, authorization, and SSL or TLS encryption. Scalability, it is designed to be scalable, allowing it to handle large volumes of traffic and multiple concurrent requests. Integration, it can be integrated with other Apache projects such as Apache HTTP Server and Apache Maven. Overall, Tomcat Apache, it is a powerful and flexible web server. Okay, and is well suited for enterprise level web applications. So big applications, they use this Apache only. Here are some important configuration files. Okay, we have server.xml, we have web.xml, we have content.xml, we have cataline properties, we have logging properties. So what is meant by server.xml? Firstly, so server.xml. Okay, so this file defines the overall configuration of Tomcat Apache. Okay, so this file defines the overall configuration of an Apache server, including the server's port number, thread pool settings, and default host configuration. Okay, web XML. It is used to configure web applications deployed on Apache server. It defines servlets, filters, and other web application components. Content.xml. It is used to configure individual web applications, including database connections, security settings, and other application specific settings. Then we have Catalina properties, logging properties. Okay, so Catalina properties. This file contains various configuration properties which affect the behavior of Tomcat server, such as location of log file and the default character encoding. Then we have logging properties. This file defines the logging configuration of server, including the log level and the output destination. Tomcat users. This defines the users and the roles that are authorized to access the Tomcat Apache server and its web applications. Okay, so these configuration files are typically located in the conf directory of Tomcat Apache installation. Okay, so when we install this Tomcat Apache, okay, so these configuration files are typically located in the conf directory. It is important to note that modifying these files incorrectly can cause the server to behave unexpectedly or not function at all. Okay, so therefore it is recommended to make backup of configuration file before making any changes. As I have already told you that if any changes you are making in the root directories, you need to take the backup of the file firstly. Okay, then you have to make the changes in the production environment. Okay, so that you have, if any problem comes in the production environment, you have a backup of the file. You can recover that file. Okay, and fix that errors. Next is quiet proxy server. Okay, so what is quiet proxy server? Okay, what does this quiet proxy server is that whenever I am sending some data, I am asking, I'm requesting from the web server any data. Okay, so suppose that data has been given. Okay, so whatever the data is given, so we are going through some websites behind it whenever the data is coming. So what does it do is it makes a local copy. Okay, it makes a local copy here. So what happens is that again, if I search in future, again I search that particular website, it will open it from the local copy rather than searching from the internet. Okay, so it is a popular open source proxy server that runs on Unix based machines. It is designed to improve web performance and reduce bandwidth usage by caching frequently accessed web pages and other internet content. As I told you, it is used for caching frequently accessed web pages and other internet contents. It acts as an intermediary between web server and clients. So when a client sends request for content, suppose there is a client who has sent request for content. Squid fetches the content from web server and creates a local copy. Then if the request is made again, it shows the local cached copy instead of making another request to the web server. So instead of making a request is made again, it shows a local cached copy instead of making another request to the web server. In this way, performance is improved and network bandwidth is optimized. It can also filter web traffic, helping in improving security. So there are few features and benefits of Squid. Okay, caching, access control, logging, authentication, reverse proxy. So caching, as I have told you, that frequently accessed web pages and other internet uh, content will be cached. Okay, reducing the amount of bandwidth needed to access them and improving web performance. Then access control. This is quite can be configured to restrict access to certain websites or a type of content, making it useful for enforcing internet usage policies in organizations. Then logging. All it logs all web requests and responses. Okay, suppose a web request is made and responses are coming. So whatever the logs, necessary logs are there, they are made, providing administrators with detailed information about internet usage. And then we have authentication. Okay, it supports various authentication methods, including basic authentication and anti-ARM authentication, allowing administrators to control access to the proxy server. Okay, reverse proxy. It allows to serve as a front end for web servers and improving web performance by caching frequently accessed content. So overall, Squid is a proxy and flexible proxy server which can improve web performance and reduce bandwidth usage in organizations. It is widely used in production environment and has a large community of developers. So this is the way of installing Squid server. Nothing more, just a way of how to install Squid server, which is not of any use right now. Wait for a minute. Okay, so um, FTP was left. Okay, so what? So we have to start with FTP. So FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. Okay. So FTP, it is a simple protocol to transfer files. Okay. It is just a simple protocol to transfer files from one machine to another. Okay. So when we want to transfer data from one place to another, from one machine to another. Okay. We use this protocol. Okay. So it is a simple protocol to transfer files from one machine to another. In Linux, we can establish an FTP connection between two machines by using the command FTP. To successfully transfer files over FTP, we must have read permission on the source system and write permission on the target system. Obviously, suppose I am sending a file, okay, a simple.txt. So the simple.txt should have all the permissions, okay, at least read and write permission, so that the target to which I am sending, okay, the data can be sent easily. Okay, so we must have read permission on the source system and write permission on the target system. When FTP was created, security was not a major concern at that particular time. Any data, including files and passwords, transferred over FTP is not encrypted. Hence, it is used strongly suggested to not use FTP over the internet. Okay, if we need to transfer the data securely, we can use SCP or SFTP, but we need to learn FTP. Okay. If the connection of how to make the connection, if the connection is established successfully, the terminal will show a confirmation message. Okay, let's see firstly. Okay, so firstly we will see that the service of FTP. I don't remember the FTP service name actually. Just a second, let me check. It's VSFTPD. So you can see that it is active and it is running. Okay, so the FTP service name is PSFTPD. Okay, so it is active and it is running properly. Okay, now what we will see is we will see our we will do if config hyphen a and see our IP address. Okay, so that is 10.0.2.15. Okay, so we will do is FTP 10.0.2.15. Suppose I want to connect to the user. Okay, or if I want to connect to any other user. Okay, suppose if I want to connect to FTP user, we have this FTP user. Okay, since the login failed, let me exit. Okay, and let me check any other user. So we have Philip also. Okay, we have FTP also. We have Pavan also. Okay, let's try with other user. Okay, so you can see that we have connected to Philip. Okay, we have another user. We gave the name and password. Okay, now let's see PWD. When we do, we can see that the whole remote directory is home Philip. This is how the connection is done. Okay, I took saw the IP address of my local host. Okay, I connected to it. Then you can see I gave another user Philip. Okay, and the password of it I gave. Now what we'll be doing is, you can see there are different commands of FTP. Okay, so the get is to download a single file from remote machine to local machine. Mget is used to download multiple files from remote machine to local machine. Okay, then put is used to put a single file, upload single file. Mput is used to upload multiple files. Delete is used to delete it from the remote machine. PWD, LS, these are all same. Okay, MKDIR, RMDIR, CD, help. Okay, so let's try it out. Okay, so see, we were in Sonali. Okay, we connected to Philip. Okay, so we can get any of the files of Sonali we want. Okay, so you can see here, let's check that Sonali has what files. So I do ls, you can see I have many files. I take this combination.sh. Okay, so I want this combination.sh. So I'll write get combination.sh. So it might be that it might not be having the permission. Let me give 777 permission to combination.sh. Okay, so it's saying no such file dot directory. Okay, we take this file tuesday.txt, suppose. Okay, so I give permission of tuesday.txt. Okay, we have this data in tuesday.txt. Let's check some rubbish data. Okay, so now I write get tuesday.txt. Okay, so it needed a path. Okay, so when I gave the path, you can see that properly the data and the transfer has been complete. Okay, and you are able to see here. Now when I do ls, so you can see all these files of here we can see. Okay, so this is the directory listing here. Okay, I do pwd, you can see I'm inside my home Philip. Okay, now let me do what is, let me log into Philip here. Suppose I put, okay, um, I have this switch2.sh which is of Philip. Okay, so I will put Switch to .sh. Okay. So this is how the transfer is done. Okay. From one place to another, we get and put the data. If I have to multiple upload take, so I'll write mget. If I have to take multiple, so I'll write import. Okay, like so and so forth. The things go on. Are you guys able to connect? Anybody tried connecting? Yes, anybody tried connecting? Yes, Ganesh Ram, Naveen, Viraj.
I'm doing, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, try that. Try connecting. Okay. If any issue you get, please ask me. And any other issues right now you wanna ask me since this is our last class? Yes, Bindu, Sandhya, Mahalakshmi, any problem?
Sonali, as of now, I don't have anything, Sonali. If I practice, then if anything, I will text you.
Okay, dear, no issues.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, so I'm ending the class. Okay. Any problem, any situation you're not understanding, please ask me in future. No worries. Thank you so
Sonali,
much,
please
guys.
stay in line. Please stay in line. Don't go. I need to
Yes,
talk to you
please.
personally.
Okay. Let everybody exit, then you talk to me personally, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Any other problem?
Okay, Sonali, I am leaving.
Okay, dear.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks for your classes.
Thank you, dear. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm also leaving, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, okay, bye.
Bye. Yes, Sandhya and Madhvi, you guys can also leave if you want. Yes, Sandhya, you can leave. Okay, Bindu, what were you asking?
Okay. Sonali, when I started Linux classroom, like I already said you, I am from different background. No, you remember?
Okay.
Now what happens after starting cell script? I am unable to follow the class. Okay. And I have some work at home also. So, Sonali, please give me like what I'm asking is, hmm, see, I'm unable to follow cell script totally till now. from the starting. I'm getting little confused and I'm unable to follow that cell script part on itself.
Okay, okay. So did you follow my recordings and all?
Yes, I did. Um, like I followed, but I'm unable to understand that cell script only. So what
Okay,
I was thinking is, like again I have to go to the classes, but
okay,
see, what my doubt is, after Linux AWS, I have joined for cloud computing. Okay, after Linux,
okay.
what is the next topic I should go for?
I don't know actually. I don't know what they will assign to you.
Okay, can I take a 1 month gap for that?
Okay, you ask them particular concerned authorities for that actually, because they will be assigning you the projects and everything they will be doing. So you ask the basement people that after 1 month I will continue the other projects, because I have not understood the Linux only. Right now I need to take revise it so that I can make
Hmm,
it stronger. Okay, so you
because
contact them and talk to them about this.
okay,
Yes.
if any doubts in middle, can I like text
Yeah,
you
yeah,
in the
no, sure,
WhatsApp?
sure. Yes, yes, yes. Any odd hour you can text me. I'll be there to help you, okay? No worries.
Um, can you connect to the calls if anything is there?
Yes, if any necessity is there, I'll try connecting it, okay?
Thank you,
Because,
Sonali. Thank you so much.
yes. Okay, dear. Thank you, dear. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you for the classes, Sonali. Tomorrow onwards,
Okay, dear.
we are not connecting. No, thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay,
Hmm.
dear. Thank you so much. Bye
Okay.
bye.
Bye.
Bye. Please give a review on the group, okay?
Assure. Assure.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.